mister. Welcome to the Blue Ocean Restaurant. Do you have reservation with us today?
Good evening. Yes, we do. It's under the name Tom for 4 people at 7 p.m.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Tom. Let me check our reservation list. Yes, I found it for you reservation. Your table is ready. Would you prefer to the sit indoor or outdoor?
We would like to sit outdoor because the weather is perfect.
Certainly. Please follow me. I will take you your table.
Alright.
Okay, mister. This is your table. Okay. Here we are. This table has a nice view of the garden. Is the comfortable for you?
Yes, this is very comfortable. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Your waiters, Corey, will be with you shortly to take you drink order. Is there anything else can assist you with before you start?
Actually, could you please bring me some water first, please?
Of course, I will bring it right away. Enjoy your evening.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Corey. Today, I will your shepherd tonight, and that is for our menu. And then you want to start with the appetizer or perhaps a bottle of wine.
Thank you, Corey. I would like to check it first. Could you please waiting for a couple of minutes, please?
Definitely take you our time, and I will write back. Thank you, Mister.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.